This is a jig separator loading site in the workshop, which is an effective energy-saving gravity separation machine based on the ore material density difference, mainly applied for placer gold, alluvial gold, tantalum niobium, titanium, coltan ore, tungsten, iron, tin, hematite, coke, manganese, barite, zirconium and chrome, etc. concentration. The jig separator can be equipped with a trommel screen or gold trommel scrubber, suitable for small and medium-scale gold wash plants. In terms of mineral processing, the jig mainly uses water as the medium and carries out sorting through the different proportions of minerals. The selection range of minerals is also very wide. In addition to metal ores such as tungsten, gold, and tin, it also includes non-metallic ores such as iron and manganese. It has advantages as follows. 1. High capacity and good effect of fine gold recovery. 2. Low water consumption, easy to install, operate and maintain. 3. The pulsation speed is very easily adjusted by a regulator. 4. Suitable to separate out big and small size heavy minerals. Welcome to contact us for designing a jig separator and quote online.